welcome to the unboxing of the Western Digital WD Green 2.5-inch or 7mm solid state drive. The capacity for this solid state drive is 480GB and this is a SATA SSD. This comes with SATA 3 connection. It has a read speed of 545 megabits per second, as you can see it's written over here, and comes with 3 years of warranty. And that's more or less all the information. There's an image of the SSD right on top of the box over here. I will now open this and show you what's inside. So there you go, this is what you'll find inside the box. We have a technical support and limited warranty guide which is sealed. I will not open this. This is a sealed document. It's also a very important document that you should not lose under any circumstances. Anything I should be mentioning from here? No, it has a lot of manufacturer information and that's about it. This is the WD Green 2.5-inch or 7mm SSD drive. This comes with SATA connection. This is the SATA 3 port on the SSD. This is the black variant. It's super lightweight, of course. It's made out of ABS plastic. It's very light. And over here, this is a sticker that says remove before installing. I will not do this right now. So you can see the SATA cable, the SATA port through here as well. This also comes with these holes over here. These are the holes through which you will basically, this is for internal use. So the idea is that you attach it to your CPU and or your laptop, even your laptop CPU or PC or your PC CPU, and then you're good to go. You should be able to use this. Once again, WD Green SATA SSD 480GB. This supports SATA 2.5-inch. I'm sorry, this supports SATA 2.5, not SATA 3. And this is it. This is what you'll find inside the box, containing the Western Digital WD Green 480GB 2.5-inch or 7mm solid state drive. Thank you for watching.